Hi, this is Liam Gibbons coming to you live from Bill Dodge Infiniti with a beautiful 2017 Infiniti QX80 certified pre-owned SUV. This is an incredibly powerful vehicle, a 5.6 liter V8 engine that is fantastic for towing. It even has electronic sway control for all of your towing needs. Moving on inside to our luxurious interior, we have full leather appointed seating for 7, as well as a Bose stereo, a round view monitoring camera, heated seats, and heated steering wheel. In addition, we have LED headlights and a remote start for those cold winter mornings. Forget about scraping your windshield ever again. With less than 55,000 miles, this really is a true value. The abundant cargo space is very versatile. You'll see that the third row is folded down right now. However, if you need to bring more passengers with you, there is seating for 3 adults in the third row. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give me a call at 207-857-4430 or come visit me at Bill Dodge Infiniti at 2 Saunders Way in Westbrook, Maine. I'm here to help.